Got the 3D printed pod filter adapter on there. I don't know, kind of is what it is. It's just barely shorter than the stock air box that is over there that you can't see. But yeah, here we go. I mean, it doesn't seem restrictive. I haven't taken it out yet, but I don't know. The carburetor is cold. Oh, interesting to see. One of my long-ass hairs is clamped underneath the intake. That's fine. So, I forgot to add to the last video that these two protrusions here, these things that are kind of raised, are actually the bowl vents that I made go straight up and over instead of like straight over, you know, where they could go fucking puke gas down into the throat of the carb and flood you out when you bounce the carb up and down, you know? So it has to go up, you know. If I can get the tape measure. Almost like 2 inches. Yeah, 1.75 inches. That fuel has to go up to bounce into the intake. I think that's pretty good, you know?